Hi everyone! Want to make your doorway look effortlessly graceful? Let's crochet a simple yet stunning torinum that instantly elevates your space. This is a must have piece for this festive season. Let's start making this elegant crochet torinum simple, decent, and full of handmade charm that brightens any doorway. All you need is some weight 3 acrylic yarn in 3 colors. With that I'm using 2.5 mm crochet hook, and don't forget to keep a scissor handy. We will start by making a slip knot. To make a slip knot, hold your yarn like this. Then take this end and twist it once and then fold it. Now you can see this is the tail and this is the working yarn. Slowly pull this working yarn outside. After making a slip knot, make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After making 6 chains, into the second chain from the hook. So this is where my hook is. This is not a chain. This is the loop on the hook. This is the first chain and this is the second chain. So skip the very first chain. Into the second chain, insert your hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops. Make a single crochet. Again into the next chain, make a single crochet. Into the next chain, make a single crochet. Into the next chain, make a single crochet, and into the last chain here, make your last single crochet. So we made 5 single crochets. After that, make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After making 5 chains, turn your work like this, and now we will work this way. At the base of this 5 chain, we have this chain gap here. There we will make a double crochet. So to make a double crochet, yarn over once. You can see this is the 5 chains we just made. At the base, you can see this gap. There, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through first 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2. So this completes 1 double crochet. After making a double crochet, make 1 chain, and now skip the next chain. Into the next chain here, we will make a double crochet. So yarn over once, skip this. Into the next chain here, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, make a double crochet. Again, make 1 chain, yarn over once, skip the next chain, and into the last chain here, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and make a double crochet. After completing this, we will make 5 chains again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After making 5 chains, again turn your work, and now in this row we will not leave space here. We will make double crochets, 5 double crochets next to each other. So yarn over once. As usual, at the base of this 5 chain, you can see this gap here. There we will make a double crochet. Again yarn over. In this gap, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and make your second double crochet. And now yarn over again. This is the double crochet of the previous row. On top, you can see a chain gap. There we will make our third double crochet. Again yarn over. In this gap, make your fourth double crochet. The fifth double crochet we will make on top of this last double crochet. So yarn over once. On top of this last double crochet, we have a chain gap. There, insert your hook, yarn over, and make a double crochet. So we made 5 double crochets, and now as usual we will make 5 chains. After making 5 chains, turn your work like this. Now we will work this way. For this row, we will repeat this row. So yarn over once. At the base, as usual, we have a chain there. Make your first double crochet, and then make 1 chain, yarn over, skip the next chain, and into the next chain here, make a double crochet. Again 1 chain, yarn over, skip the next chain, and into the last chain here, we will make a double crochet. Again, make 5 chains, turn your work. At the base, you have a chain there, make your first double crochet, yarn over. In this gap, make your next double crochet. On top of this double crochet, we have a chain there, make your third double crochet. In this gap, make your fourth double crochet. And on top of this last double crochet, we have a chain there, make your fifth double crochet. So we will repeat the same again and again. We will make a row of mesh and a row of continuous double crochet. A row of mesh double crochet, a row of continuous double crochet. Just repeat the same steps again and again till you reach the desired length. I have the length I want. Now after finishing a row, make one chain, turn your work, and now we will make 5 single crochets. 1 here, make your second single crochet. On top of this double crochet, make your third single crochet. Here, make your fourth single crochet. On top of this last double crochet, make your last single crochet. After making 5 single crochet, make one chain, leave some length of yarn and cut your yarn. Slowly remove the hook. Now take the green color yarn. You can see this is the single crochet row. Insert your hook there and lock this new color. We will hide this tail while we work. After locking, make one more single crochet here. After that, on this double crochet, we will make 3 single crochets now. So 1, 2 and 3. And now we reach this arch. So there, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, make a single crochet. Again insert second single crochet. Again third single crochet. After making 3 single crochets, make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After making 5 single crochet, turn your chains like this. You can see back bars here. Insert your hook in the first back bar. Here, yarn over and make a slip stitch. Again make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As usual, turn your chains. You can see tiny back bars here. Insert your hook in the very first back bar. Yarn over, make a slip stitch. Again make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn your chains. Insert your hook inside the very first back bar here and make a slip stitch. And this creates 3 leaf-like structure. Now insert your hook in this arch, yarn over and make a single crochet. After that, we will make 2 more single crochet in the same arch. So this is the second one and this is the third one. And now, as usual, on this double crochet, we will make 3 single crochet. After making 3 single crochets, inside the next arch, we will make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. After making 3 single crochets, make 4 chains and make 3 single crochets in the same arch. So 1, 2, 3. Here we will add the bells, and as usual on top of this double crochet make 3 single crochet. After making 3 single crochets, on the next arch we will repeat this step. So make 3 single crochets first. After making 3 single crochets, make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn your chains. At the base you can see first back bar. There make a slip stitch. Again make 5 chains. At the base you have first back bar. There make a slip stitch. Again make 5 chains. First back bar, there make a slip stitch. So after making this, we will make a single crochet inside this arch and then make 2 more. Now we will repeat this step. First, on top of this double crochet, make 3 single crochet. After making 3 single crochets, on top of this arch, we will make this. So make 3 single crochets. After making 3 single crochets, make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then make 3 single crochets in the same arch. So repeat the same till the end. After completing the last arch, on this double crochet, we will make 3 single crochets as usual. And then here we will make one more single crochet and then make one chain. Leave some length of yarn and cut your yarn. Slowly remove the hook. So you can see it's completed. I will now show you how to make this flower. For that, we will start by making a magic circle. To make a magic circle, hold your yarn like this. Then wrap this yarn around your 2 fingers and hold it with this finger. Now you can see a nice X shape. Insert your hook under this yarn and slowly pull the other yarn to this side and hold it like this. And now take this working yarn slowly out of this loop. And this creates a magic circle. After making a magic circle, make one chain. This is a turning chain and make 7 single crochets inside the magic circle. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook, make a single crochet. Similarly, make 6 more, totally 7 single crochets inside the magic circle. You can see I made 7 single crochets. Now pull the tail of the magic ring and this is the first single crochet we made. On top you can see a chain gap here. There insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. After making a slip stitch, we will make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will consider this 4 chain as our first triple crochet. We will make one more triple crochet in the same chain gap. So yarn over twice, insert your hook in the same chain gap, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops, yarn over and pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. So this completes one triple crochet. In this row we will make triple crochet increase. So this 4 chain and this triple crochet completes one increase. And now in the next chain we will make 2 triple crochet. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop and make a triple crochet. Again in the same chain gap, make one more triple crochet. So this complete second triple crochet increase. Again yarn over twice, in the next chain make 2 triple crochet. Repeat the same around, make 2 triple crochet in every chain gap. When you come to the end, I'll let you know what to do. You can see I made triple crochet increase in every chain and now this is the 4 chains we made at the beginning. In that, insert your hook in the 4th chain here, yarn over, pull up a loop and make a slip stitch. After that, make one chain and you can see in the same chain gap where we made our slip stitch just now, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both. Make one single crochet. After making a single crochet, make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. After making 3 chains, turn your chains like this. You can see the back bars there. Insert your hook in the first back bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. 2 loops on the hook, make a single crochet. After that, insert your hook in the next chain gap here, yarn over, pull up a loop and make a single crochet. After that, make one more single crochet in the next chain. And then make 3 chains. Make a single crochet in the first back bar. And then make a single crochet in the next chain. Again, make one more single crochet, chain 3, make a single crochet in the first back bar, and then make a single crochet in the next chain, and make a single crochet in the next chain, and then repeat the same. Make 3 chains. So we will repeat the same around. I repeated the same around. I made the 7th spike here. So after making that, insert your hook in the next chain gap, make a single crochet, and then insert your hook in the next chain gap, yarn over, and make a slip stitch, and then make 1 chain, leave some length of yarn and cut your yarn. Slowly remove the hook, and this completes the flower. Now I will show you how to attach this here. Take 2 strands of yarn, insert it inside a needle. Now this is the right side and this is the inner side. So there, insert your hook here and here. Take the needle like this, leave some length of yarn here itself, and now insert it in this circle and pull this yarn in this 4 chain gap. Insert your needle, again insert it inside the same circle, and now we will tie 1 or 2 permanent knots towards the inner side. And then trim the excess yarn. So this completes the door hanging. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.